In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Walmart MoneyCard instantly. Before we begin, make sure you have your physical card nearby, a reliable internet connection, and the official Walmart MoneyCard app open. Using the official app or website helps keep your information secure, and it's a good idea to enable notifications so you'll see your balance update right away. Start by opening your Walmart MoneyCard. If you're prompted to confirm your card details, you'll be asked for the 16-digit card number on the front of your card. Type it carefully and double-check for any typos. Next, enter the card's expiration date exactly as it appears, followed by the 3-digit CVV on the back. These details are used to verify your card and keep your account protected, so only enter them within the official app or site. Once everything looks correct, tap Next. The app will process your information and bring you to your account options. From here, select Deposit. This is your funding hub where you can choose how you want to add money. For an instant cash load, choose Deposit Cash. This method allows you to add physical cash at participating retailers, and in most cases, the funds appear in your account right away. Keep in mind that load limits and fees can vary by location, so it's smart to check the details displayed in the app before you head out. Now tap Create a Deposit Code. The app will generate a barcode or a numeric code specifically for your cash load. Think of this code as a one-time ticket that tells the cashier where to send the money. Don't share it with anyone except the cashier when you're ready to pay, and note that these codes can expire. If that happens, simply create a new one. Next, find a participating location and bring your code with you. The app's locator will show stores nearby that can take your deposit. When you arrive, go to the register or service desk, show your deposit code, and hand over the cash you want to load. The cashier will scan the code, accept your payment, and complete the transaction. Ask for your receipt and keep it until you see the money in your account. Most cash deposits appear instantly, but if you don't see the funds right away, refresh the app and check your notifications. That's it. Open your card, confirm your details, tap Next, select Deposit, choose Deposit Cash, create a deposit code, and bring it to a participating location. For best results, keep your app updated, watch for any fees or limits shown in the app, and set up alerts so you'll know the moment your money arrives. If something doesn't look right, contact Walmart MoneyCard support through the app for help.